Good morning, friends. Always do more than what you're asked to do. This small habit will take us a long way in all areas of your life, in your office, at home, in your society, neighborhood, wherever. If you're asked to do one, try to do one extra thing. You will see magic happening. I have a small story to share with you. There were two friends, office colleagues to be precise, Jack and Bill. Give them any name, it doesn't matter. Jack was working in an organization for over 4 years. Bill joined just 1 year back. Bill got promoted in just 1 year. Jack, after 4 years, could not get a promotion. We have seen this happening a lot. So let's not be surprised. So, with this, Jack was not happy, of course. He went to his manager, he told him, I have done a lot for this organization, but I think my efforts are not being appreciated, not recognized, and I think I should look for a new opportunity somewhere else, so I want to quit. So, the manager was a bit hesitant to, at first, but yeah, he asked, is Bill's promotion the reason behind your resignation? Jack said yes. Okay, so do you know why that has happened? He said, I don't want to know. I think you are just biased. Okay, so the manager said, okay, I will accept your resignation, but do you want to check how he's working? Jack said, no, thank you. I'm a professional. I have decided. Okay, so boss said, okay, I will still give you one assignment since you are in your notice period, and then it's your choice. Jack said, okay, I will work for 30 more days since I am on notice period. So tell me, what do I have to do? So the manager said, I will give you and Bill the same assignment, and the result will tell the difference. He said, okay. So boss told both of them to go find out if there are watermelons available in this season. Okay? So Jack said, okay, that's pretty easy. I know the fruit vendors where they sit. So they both of them went. And in 2 days, they were about to submit the report. So Jack first came with his report and he told the manager, yes, dear manager, we have a shopkeeper who has watermelons available. This is his address. So whenever you are ready, you tell me, I will go to his shop, place the order, and we are sorted. He said, thank you very much, Jack. Now I'll just check with Bill if what his report has to say. Okay, he called upon Bill, and then Bill presented his report. And Jack was standing right next to Bill. So Bill presented his report, and that's how the report goes. Bill told the manager that yes, there are 3 vendors available, 3 different markets. They have 50 kilogram of stocks available right now. If we place the order today, they are giving us a discount of 10%. Also, they will give us free home delivery, and if we give them a recurring order, they are also willing us to give even further discounts. I have already spoken to them, asked them to keep the quantity ready for us. I will be confirming them to them by the evening, and accordingly we'll get the shipment ready. So this is my report. Once I have a go ahead, I have sorted out everything, we'll get the job done. Great. Similar reports or something different between Jack and Bill? There is a difference. You have got the difference. He has done something more. He has done more research. He has done something more, guys. So Jack understood where he was lacking, and that was the learning from him. From this whole exercise, he took back his resignation. He thought he should be willing to learn from Bill and go an extra mile, Going an extra mile at times really helps. You might not get instant results, but it's an attitude shift. It's an attitude shift. Whatever you do more than what is expected. In relationships, do more. Give yourself more. You are a parent, give yourself more. Just don't be at the borderline. In finance, do more. If you're planning, read more. In every aspect of your life, do more. If that attitude is inculcated in ourselves, trust me, life will be sorted, you will be happy, things will fall in place. So, with this, I will end the story and I pray for you that you excel in your fields, you have better health, better finances, better relationships in your life. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Lots of love.